Deflation's characterized by a fall in general prices in the context of stagnation or weak economic growth. Often associated with an economic crisis, triggers include a drop in demand or overabundant supply. The biggest worry is that this can lead to what economists call a deflationary spiral. This occurs when, anticipating cheaper prices to come, householders delay buying goods. Consumption then goes down, prompting companies to cut costs through layoffs or lower salaries. This affects workers' spending power, further reducing general consumption. Companies then have to slash prices again to encourage people to spend money. As profits fall, companies stop investing, and this vicious cycle continues. Deflation is bad news for the government and can have serious economic consequences for society. The banking industry also suffers as struggling businesses and householders default on their debts.